let's get to the point. Para hindi na uminit ang ulo nyo sa mahabang pila to buy a train ticket or to reload. Now ko lang nalaman na pwede mo palang idikit sa phone mo ang card and reload via the Beep Card app. May app na pala ang Beep. Puro kasi ako Mobile Legends and food and cafe reviews kaya hindi na ako updated. Pero sa buhay ng ex ko at yung pagbagsak ng mga umaaway sa akin, updated talaga ako. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. No one paid me to post about this. Sana nga sponsored ito kasi tatanggapin ko talaga pag nag-offer sila ng free rides for 1 year. Salamat pala kay content creator What's Next Jeff for telling me about this and teaching me how to do it. Please follow him also for cafe and food discoveries. By the way, I'm not sure anong kinds of phones ito nag-work, pero for reference, I am using an iPhone 12 Pro Max and it works sa akin. And here are the 4 steps. Number 1, download the Beep app. Number 2, sign up using an email. Number 3, click Buy Beep Load. Select an amount and payment method. I chose GCash and nag-connect naman agad sa GCash app. Number 4, ito ang important part. Need pala i-click ang Fetch Load para mag-reflect ang new balance. And need idikit uli sa phone ang Beep Card para mag-appear yung binili mong extra load. Overall, I am so glad that the Beep Card has an app now kasi super convenient ito. My only suggestion for them is sana no need na to have a fetch load option. Sana once nag-click ka na ng buy load, nag-reflect na agad ang new balance. Pero despite this one suggestion, happy na ako na merong ganitong option. Kasi stressful na mag-commute sa Malasardinas na rush hour sa train. At least bawas na one stress ito. Click follow for the next story.